Okay, and as I began to investigate more elaborate Native American nets and tennis nets, I kept going until I had 4 loops. Now this is a fairly long string, as you can see, because I'm going to put some information in there, and that information is going to eat up the length of the string fairly quickly. I will take the index loop up through the thumb and back, and the middle finger string up through the little finger and back, and you can see that I have put those both from into the center. Then I'm going to take the thumb loop and rotate it once up through and rotate it so that I've done +2 up through the index, and -1, -1 will make -2 up through the middle finger, and then the index goes up through the middle, goes back, the middle goes up through the index and back, and I've completed, and you can see that that is a symmetric center. But in order to finish what I'm doing, I'm going to go do that whole sequence again. Up through, rotate, up through, rotate, up through, up through, up through, and I've done that twice. Now let's end this by coming up with the thumb, up with the little finger, rotate once, twice away, once, twice away, and do a 4-loop in a weave. Out, over, under, over, pick up the near, lift out, over, under, over, pick up the far, transfer, drop, transfer, hold down, straighten out, reach and pull down the back one, set the bottom, kick and roll the top, and you see that I have begun to make a 4-loop tennis net, which can be done longer and longer depending on how long the string is and thin, so that it can blossom properly. But that is a result of looking at how to do different weaving patterns with simple loop transfers, and then rationalizing those loop transfers in a symmetric fashion so that you can achieve something like a 4-loop tennis net. It took me a couple of years to figure out how to do